to another episode of me fixing shit. Ignore the fucking container there, but don't worry about that. So, this is my buddy's car, Subaru, and he has a problem with a noise when he's turning and such. Checked everything over. This CV axle, not supposed to do that. It's getting bad. This one, on the other hand, no noise. So we're doing a CV axle today. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing, because I'm gonna have to pick you up eventually. What the fuck is my gun? God damn it. Shut up. So this here axle nut is a 32 on this here Subaru. So you just gently slap that on there. Then you take the big fucking gun and take that shit off. So now to make your life easy, you just simply take these two strut bolts, which I hope you can see where I'm pointing at. And well, they're up here in this general vicinity. Take these out, which should be a 19. Come on. Like so, that will work. And you should be able to take a hammer and just simply go tap, tap, pull. Tap, tap, pull. Oh, washer. Oh shit, these are cambered bolts. Oops. Might just pull that bitch out. Spin it around. A little finagling past that. There you go. Now basically for this next part, you'd have to go under here, get a pry bar up in there, and pull that bitch out. Which you're gonna have to see from there. You guys see the axle. And you always make sure you got the right one. This looks like the right one. That's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to sound more like this. Nothing. Dude, what the fuck? What kind of fucking genius inbred motherfucker put this on? Jesus. I'm a part supplier. I don't fucking know. Oh. Ah, my fucking finger. That was on tight. Oh, that hurt. Now, a trick that I actually learned recently is make sure this little C-clip thing is at the bottom. I think is what he said. And just like that. He's right. come on, quit being a dick. Thank you. Maybe just make sure it slides on it. And make sure you stick your big ass camber bolt in the top. And a non-cambered bolt on the floor. What am I at, 15 minutes? That's not bad at all. That's with me fucking around. I can't actually believe that. Now just install the opposite way of you installed. Threads are a little sticky. Stick some penetrant on there, just to make them go on a little bit easier without stripping shit. Torque to spec. Actually, we're gonna stop there. Because some people just send them on and fucking the steering locked up on me, whatever. But send it on and not fucking pay attention to where, like, the actual torque shit of this. You just send it, sometimes you can fuck up the bearing that is inside of there. Sometimes, not other times. I'm also not saying anyone's wrong. If you do, that's what you do, that's what you do. But if you keep getting bearings back, that could possibly be why. So, I'm gonna actually look up the torque spec for this one. Okay, so the front axle nut torque is 162. Shut up. Oh, I fucked up. Did I move it? Nah, you're good. 162 foot-pounds, if you can read it. If you can read it. I think you can read it. Maybe. I don't fucking know. Oh no, it spins. Whatever shall I do? Very simply. Step a screwdriver. And there. You take this and you twist. One more for good measure. Now, this also has a very special thing, which, hey, can you see? Zoom in. I forgot I could do that on my phone. This little doodaddy bitchy here. Wait, shut the fuck up, motherfucker. God fucking damn it. So this little motherfucker got a little hole right there, right where my finger is. That little nubby hole is to help lock the bitch in. So, I've lost all my punches. I'm going to try to stay out of the way as much as I can, but you take a punch, or a screwdriver. Ow. I'm going to take a screwdriver. Where it placed you is a terrible place. Take a flathead screwdriver. Try to stay out of the way and record a video. This is a lot more difficult than you think. Boom. See how it's bent in? It's bent in. Good. You see. That is it. Two's good. Probably should touch it too. I probably should play with those. Well, that's smart. And now no more. Okay, well, there's a little bit of clicky, but probably because that fucking thing's turned. It's not as bad as. Let's see. That one. There, and you're ready to roll. I'm not going to show you the wheel torquing and all that bullshit. I'm sure you fucking figured it out by this point. But if you need to, wheels go on, we'll go down. We'll get torqued. Well, bye-bye. And bye-bye. for you too. Why am I doing a fucking voice? I'm losing my mind. I was tired. It's at the end of my fucking shift. I'm crazy. Yeah.